Hi, I'm Chris Fife from Together Financial Services. There's no doubt that you'll be aware of the recent developments with respect to coronavirus here in Victoria. And for some, this is going to be an especially difficult time. So for those with an existing home loan, I'm here to talk about some of the measures you can take in order to lighten the burden during this time. In this video, we're going to look at how your lender can help you and also how we at Together Financial Services can assist you during this difficult time. The good news is that there are options for those that have been financially impacted during these government restrictions. The first option that some banks have made available is to change your repayments to interest only. This will essentially reduce your repayments to the absolute minimum. Of course, your principal loan balance won't reduce, but by paying the interest on a monthly basis, well, your loan balance won't go up. Now, some lenders have made this super simple and some a little bit harder, so make sure you contact your lender to see if this option is right for you. The second option is to defer your home loan repayments. Again, not all lenders have made this option available, but many have for a period of 3 to 6 months. This option involves the repayments being deferred or stopped for that period of time. Now, interest will still be charged, but instead of having to repay the interest on a monthly basis, it'll be capitalised or added to your loan once the repayments recommence. However, in most cases, the lender will recalculate the loan term to include that repayment deferral, which essentially means you don't need to catch up once things go back to normal. Lastly, there are a number of other measures that banks have made available, such as waiving fees or fixing your interest rate, which in most cases will be lower than your current rate. And for small businesses, some are doing government secured loans to assist with cash flow during this period. Now, the good thing is that in most cases, there should be no negative impact to your credit rating, which would otherwise be applicable under normal applications for hardship. Of course, it is best to clarify with your individual lender, who will be able to explain the process and the terms of these options in a lot more detail. Now let's take a look at how your mortgage broker can assist. This is a very important question. And here at Together Financial Services, we are passionate about helping our customers, and especially at a time such as this. So let's look at the 3 ways we can assist you during this time. Firstly, despite what is happening right now, the mortgage market remains extremely competitive with rates as low as 2.19%. As such, now is actually the best time to review your home loan to see how much you could save by refinancing. We have access to over 30 different lenders, and so for those that have not reviewed their loan in the last 12 months, you're almost guaranteed to get a better deal and subsequently save money, reduce repayments, and increase your cash flow. You can also look to access some of your equity. We found that many people have been interested in freeing up cash to place in their redraw or their offset facility just to sit there for peace of mind during these uncertain times. So if you haven't had your property valued in the last few years, chances are there might be a way that we can access some of your equity by increasing your loan, and this also gives us the opportunity to renegotiate the interest rate, meaning your repayments perhaps won't increase by as much as what you think. And finally, we can look to consolidate some debt. Perhaps you've got a couple of credit cards or a car loan facility that you might like to roll into the one repayment, and we can certainly help you with this, which will also increase your cash flow position. There is a level of complexity when it comes to debt consolidation, and so in some cases you might end up paying more interest over the life of the loan. So make sure you speak to us before considering this option so we can make sure that it's the right option for you. Now, all of these options will require an assessment by the bank, so it may be difficult to perform some of these functions if you've been financially affected by the recent restrictions. But we do encourage you to reach out so we can see what options will be best suited to your individual needs. Another thing to note is that we have the resources to engage with our clients totally remotely from start to finish. This means that you'll be able to use our services from the comfort of your own home without having to meet us in person. Of course, we'll still guide customers through the process every step of the way to ensure you have an exceptional experience. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found this information useful, and if you have any questions, please visit our website at www.together.finance so we can connect with you and discuss your options in more detail. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.